Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to solve Roblox unrecoverable error. So I will be showing you a few methods on how to fix this problem. First is you just have to go to your Google web browser, tap this three dots, scroll down, go to settings, and then here click privacy and security. Now go to third party cookies, tap this one, and then scroll down till you see this see all data and permission. Now you just have to search for Roblox here and then click this delete icon. Tap delete. Okay, so this is the first method. The next thing to do is to go to the search icon and then type run, click open. Now here you have to type person symbol, app data, person symbol, and then after that click OK. And then what you're going to do here is to just simply go to app data, tap local, and then look for Roblox by just tapping R. So what you're going to do here is to right click and delete this Roblox folder under local folder. So the third method that you're going to do to fix the problem is to go to your settings, go to apps, go to installed apps, and then search for Roblox here. Okay, so you can type Roblox and you can also scroll down to see Roblox, but this one is the easiest way. Tap this three dots and then click uninstall. Once you have uninstalled this application or game, you need to go to Google web browser or any web browser and then type Roblox download. And then all you have to do is just simply click the button that says Roblox download. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. It depends on your internet connection. Okay, so click download now rather, and then you just have to wait. Now, once you have installed this one, tap this Roblox, right click, go to show more options, click properties, go to compatibility, click this box here, run this program in compatibility mode 4. Okay, tap disable full screen, optimizations, click apply, and then click OK. And the very last thing to do is to simply restart your computer. So I hope this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.